am I? Who are you? Who is he? These small words, I, you, he, she, it, we, they, are the heart of every English sentence. But, do you really know how to use them correctly? In English, a subject pronoun is a word we use instead of a person or thing that does the action. For example,
Sarah is a student.
she is a student. Easy, right? Let's go one by one. We use I when we talk about ourselves.
I am happy. I like pizza. I study English.
When you say I, you're the one doing the action. We use you when we talk to someone.
You are amazing.
Yes, you. You speak English very well. Now, let's talk about he and she. We use he for a man or a boy.
He likes pizza. He plays football. Tom likes pizza. Tom plays football.
Instead, we say he plays football. He likes pizza. And she is for a woman or a girl. She loves music. She reads every night. And instead of saying Emma loves music, we say she loves music. We use it for animals, things, or weather.
It is a cat. It is red. It's raining.
We don't use he or she for objects, we say it. We mean you and me together.
We are friends.
Perfect. And they means other people or things.
They are students.
So remember, we includes me, they not include me. Now, it's your turn. Look at the picture and choose the right pronoun. Ready? Let's go.
She is a teacher.
It is brown.
They are friends.
We are learning English. Great job! Let's review what we learned today.
I, you, he, she, it, we, they.
These are the 7 subject pronouns in English. Practice them every day, and soon, you'll speak naturally. Now let's see how to make negative sentences with subject pronouns. It's super easy. We just add not after the verb to be.
I am not tired. He is not at school. You are not late. She is not at home. It is not cold. We are not busy.
And we can also use short forms. I'm not. You aren't. He isn't. She isn't. It isn't. We aren't. They aren't. Now, how do we make questions? We simply move the verb to be before the subject.
For example, am I late? Are you a student? Is he your brother? Is she a teacher? Is it raining? Are we ready? Are they friends?
So remember, to make a question, switch the order. Verb first, then subject. Let's practice both. Listen and guess if the sentence is positive, negative, or a question.
Number 1, he isn't at home.
Number 2, are they happy?
Number 3, we are students.
Now you can make positive, negative, and question sentences with subject pronouns.
That's amazing. You're doing great.
Don't forget to practice, and in the next video, we'll learn the verb to be in action.